In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if taskbar is not showing or not working on your Windows. So let's get started. So we have to press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window. So once the run window is here, we need to type REGEDIT, hit enter. Okay, then you just need to follow me for the path that we are going to navigate in here. So you need to locate the HQ local machine, okay? Locate HQ local machine and click on this arrow to expand the list. Then you need to look for software. Click on the arrow that corresponds to it to expand the list. Then we need to look for Microsoft. So we need to scroll down. And here we can find Microsoft. Click on this arrow to expand the list. Then we need to look for the Windows folder. We just need to scroll down. And once you find Windows, click on this arrow to expand the list. Then here you can find current version. Click on this arrow to expand the list. Then you need to look for Shell folder. So once you find Shell, click on this arrow to expand the list. Then you will find Update. Click on this arrow to expand the list. And here you'll find Packages. Click on Packages. Then make a right click on the open space. Select New. Select the word 32-bit value. And you will name this to undocking disable, the same thing as what you can see in mine. So I have just fixed the issue by using this one. So let me just quickly delete this one. And then here in the new value, we have to name this capital U, small n d o c k i n g, capital letter D, small I s a b l e d. It's undocking disabled with no space in between, capital letter U, capital letter D, and then double click on it. Change the value data to 1 and click on OK. And after that, you have to close the registry editor window and then press Windows key and X key together. Again, press Windows key and X key together. And then you just need to simply click on the shutdown or sign out and then restart your Windows. So it's very important to restart your Windows so that the changes will be applied. You just need to simply press Windows key and X key together. Now, if the issue is still there, go back to pressing the Windows key and letter R button together. Type REGEDIT, hit enter. And then you just have to rename this one, the same path. So undocking disabled, right click, select rename, and you just need to simply add any characters just to rename it. Okay. And then click on the open space. Again, close the registry editor window. Press Windows key and X key together and then shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.